In this video, I'll guide you through how to use custom substitutions in Google Docs. Custom substitutions are a simple but powerful way to save time and keep your writing consistent. They let Google Docs automatically replace a short piece of text you type with something longer or more formatted, like a phrase, a symbol, or even a standard response you use all the time. Let's get started right from the beginning so you can follow along step by step. First, open Google Docs. You can either create a brand new document or open an existing one. It doesn't matter which, because the substitutions you set up will work across all your documents in your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account, then navigate to Google Docs and open any document. Once your document is open, look toward the top of the screen at the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. What you're interested in is the Tools menu. Click on Tools to open the drop-down menu. This is where Google keeps a lot of handy features that help with writing and editing. From that Tools menu, find and click on Preferences. This will open a small settings window in the middle of your screen. The Preferences window has a few different sections, but the one we're focusing on is called Substitutions. If it isn't already selected, click on the Substitutions tab to bring it into view. Here you'll see a list of automatic substitutions that Google Docs already uses. For example, it may automatically turn a simple quote into a smart quote or replace certain character combinations with symbols. Below that list, you'll see two empty fields where you can add your own custom substitution. This is where you create your shortcut. In the first box, labeled something like replace, type the shortcut you want to use. Make it something short and easy to remember, but not a word you would normally type by itself. For instance, you might start it with a symbol or a couple of special characters like for your address or SH for your email signature. In the second box, labeled with, type the full text you want Google Docs to insert when it sees that shortcut. This could be a full sentence, a frequently used phrase, a repeated comment, your company name with the right capitalization, or anything else you find yourself typing over and over. Take a moment to double check spelling and formatting here, because this is exactly what will appear each time the substitution runs. When you're happy with your shortcut and its replacement, look to the right side and click the OK or Save button in that Preferences window. This confirms the new substitution and closes the settings. Now, test it out. Back in your document, type your shortcut exactly as you set it up, then press the spacebar or hit Enter. Google Docs should immediately replace the shortcut with the full text you specified. If it doesn't work the first time, make sure you type the shortcut exactly the same way and that substitutions are enabled in the Preferences window. You can repeat this process to add as many custom substitutions as you like. Over time, you'll build a collection of shortcuts that speed up your typing and help you keep your documents consistent.